Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We'll be comparing two top contenders, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes in at a price of $1,599, while the Roborock S7 Max Ultra is priced at $1,299. It's clear that the S8 Pro Ultra is the more expensive option. However, keep in mind that both of these robot vacuums offer advanced features and capabilities that justify their price tags. Now, let's talk about the all-in-one docking system. The S8 Pro Ultra takes convenience to the next level with its automatic mop washing and drying process. It even has a self-emptying feature with a large dust bag that can hold up to 7 weeks of dust. The dock also cleans itself and refills the robot's water tank, extending its mopping range. On the other hand, the S7 Max Ultra features the Roborock Ultra, offering a new level of convenience. With both models excelling in this category, it's a tie. When it comes to cleaning performance, the S8 Pro Ultra boasts a dual rubber brush system that provides a cleaner effect in one go and reduces hair tangles. Its powerful 6,000 pascal suction ensures efficient cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. Meanwhile, the S7 Max Ultra has a 5,500 pascals hyperforce suction and an upgraded floating rubber brush for superior cleaning results. Although both models offer impressive cleaning capabilities, the S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead with its higher suction power. Let's move on to the mopping system. The S8 Pro Ultra features the upgraded Roborock 2.0 mopping system, offering a wider mopping zone, high-speed scrubbing, and consistent mopping pressure. It can effectively clean various stains, from soda spills to dried-on messes. On the other hand, the S7 Max Ultra comes with the Roborock mopping system, which removes dried stains 30% more effectively than traditional robot mops. Both models excel in this category, so it's a tie. Now, let's talk about obstacle avoidance. The S8 Pro Ultra utilizes 3D structured light and infrared image technology to identify and bypass unknown objects on the floor. It can even generate detailed maps for more accurate and customized cleaning. Similarly, the S7 Max Ultra features reactive technology that detects and avoids objects, as well as suggesting no-go zones automatically. Both models offer excellent obstacle avoidance capabilities, making it a tie in this category. Moving on to app and voice control, the S8 Pro Ultra offers advanced control through the Roborock app. You can adjust settings, schedule cleaning, and even receive smart suggestions for setting no-go zones. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. The S7 Max Ultra also provides convenient app and voice control options. Both models excel in this category, so it's another tie. Lastly, let's discuss battery and charging. The S8 Pro Ultra charges from empty to full in just 4 hours of fast charging. It offers up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is enough to tackle most homes. The S7 Max Ultra also provides a long runtime and offers the flexibility of off-peak charging to save on power costs. Both models perform well in this category, resulting in a tie. Based on online reviews, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum is praised for its reliability, app and mapping capabilities, mopping and vacuuming performance, dock quality, navigation, and obstacle avoidance. However, some users have mentioned that it had a disappointing incident when it ran over a pet mess and wished the liquid bins were larger. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is highly recommended for its accurate litter mapping, effective cleaning, and obstacle avoidance. However, some users have mentioned the clunky app interface and missing features like room cleaning order and manual bin emptying from the app. Overall, both models have received positive reviews with some limitations. And there you have it. We've compared the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum in various categories. While both models offer exceptional features and performance, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.